Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change Windows 11 display language. For this, click on this one Start button, then click Settings option. In the left sidebar of the settings window, select this one Time and Language option. On the right, click on Language and Region. Here you need to add your language pack in which you want to set your Windows 11 display. For this, click on this one Add a Language option. Now type here or scroll down and select your language. Then click on this one Next button. Leave these all details default, or you can also directly set here. Check this option Set as my Windows display language. It will directly set your display language as your preferred language. In case you leave this option unchecked, click on this one option Install. You can later change this one display language on your Windows 11 PC. After installing the language pack, you can change display settings. Once the language pack installed, scroll down to the top and under language section, select this one drop down menu Windows display language, and here choose your preferred language in which you want to display your Windows 11 system. Now click on this one sign out or sign out button. Just click on this one. Now log in into your system. It will change display language in various places such as File Explorer, lock screen, settings app, etc. In case it does not work immediately, just restart your PC once to apply the changes. It may take a few minutes to display Windows 11 system in your language. You can see I have selected Hindi language, and you can see Hindi appeared in this one search box. Under settings also you can see here this all. You can also see in the settings window this one changed, this one changed,